Hi, I am Jennifer, and this is my new little Havachon, Frankie. He's 16 weeks old now, and he is just the most adorable little puppy. You love his little eyebrows? I love you. He's just so cute. I got him when he was 12 weeks old. He looks like a little magua before he turns into a little gremlin. Hi, Frankie. Hi. Say hi to the people. You're so pretty. I know. I love you too. I love you too. He is very tired. We just went on our first walk off of the apartment complex. He had so much fun. Didn't you, Frankie? Didn't you had fun? Yeah. He's normally so much more energetic than this. But we also did some cleaning today, and the vacuum got him all hyped up. He had a lot of fun. Plus, this little guy didn't want to go to sleep last night. Yeah, yes, that's why you're yawning so much, huh? Yeah, he didn't want to go to sleep last night. And then he woke us up at 3 in the morning. So that is the joys of a new puppy. They will wake you up at all hours of the night. Won't you? Mm-hmm. And then we got up about 6 o'clock in the morning. Yay! He is just the cutest little thing. He's only 3.2 pounds right now. So I think he was the runt of the family. But we don't care. We love him. Right, Frankie? So, this is little Frankie. I had little story time. I had a little dog about a year and a half ago, and she was about 5 years old, and I had to put her down because she had a lot of health issues. And it got to a point where I couldn't stand watching her suffer anymore. So the last day it was really bad. She started getting seizures a few months before that, and she was just really ill. It was a really hard decision, and it was just really difficult. And I didn't think I'd ever get another pet after her. Her name was Bella. But about a few months ago, my brother, Frankie, was murdered. And a horrible story for another time. But he was taken from us, and I went into a really anxious and depressed state, and I don't know, it was really rough. I started looking at different types of breeds, and eventually I found little Frankie. And his original name was Maverick, and I brought him home, and my sister went with me, and I don't know, he didn't really seem like a maverick. And then my sister came up with the idea. She's like, why don't you just name him Frankie? He looks like a little Frankie. And so I thought, man, that would be really cute. Sorry about the lighting. So that's what we named him, Frankie. So it was a really sad time, but since I got him, he's brought so much joy into my life. I don't even have time to really sit down and think too much to be sad like I did before. He keeps me so busy. He's brought so much joy into my life. Yes, you have. You've made me so happy. So that's the story of how little Frankie came into the picture. So I've had him for about a month. And now he is 4 months old this weekend. And he loves his new little house. Don't you, Frankie? Yeah. He's very tired after his walk. I haven't really been taking him outside too much because it's not good for puppies when they haven't had all of their vaccinations. So I've been trying to be really careful about that. I don't want him to get sick. But he's almost fully vaccinated now. And I think it's good to take him out and start getting him some real exercise. He's tiny, so it's easier to get some exercise in the house. We play fetch, and he runs around like a little crazy clown. Yeah. Oh, fun fact. So I read that Havachons have been used in a lot of circuses because they're really smart and just kind of, they're funny. And they tend to do a lot of tricks. So I don't know. Maybe you could be a future little show dog. What do you think? You're beautiful. Have you ever seen another pup with old man eyebrows? Oh. But your eyebrows are so cute. I love them. Yeah. So I think another video that I want to do is Frankie's first bath. Because we haven't given a bath yet, have we? No, you haven't gotten a bath with me yet. Let's see if you like it. What do you think? You want to get clean? You want to get clean? Yeah, you don't want to be stinky. You want a stinky butt? I don't know. He doesn't seem to really care. So anyway, thanks for watching. And this is probably going to be my first video that I post. So thank you for watching. Welcome to my channel. And I hope to make lots more videos. So let me know what you think about this one. You want to see more videos of little Frankie? Say bye. Bye, Frankie. Bye, Frankie. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, comment, and share. Bye.